Yokogawa is having an impact in many ways, both in industry and everyday life. For example, we help to secure the supply of safe water, an essential lifeline for all. Through the provision of advanced solutions for the recycling and effective use of water resources, Yokogawa has contributed to the stable supply of water. The same is true for food and pharmaceuticals. In this era of digital transformation, also known as DX, Yokogawa is making a difference in many more ways, from the quality control of materials and increase of productivity to the building of supply chains. To promote health and well-being, we provide solutions for the research and development of new drugs and the production of high-quality pharmaceuticals. Amidst a growing global demand for energy, concern about climate change is driving an energy transition. In the era of DX, Yokogawa is working with its customers in the energy industry to create new value. For the production of different types of energy resources, we provide our customers the solutions they need to reduce their environmental impact and maximize efficiency. In new energy fields, we build stable energy supply systems that factor in predictions of supply and demand and support new business models. Through the operation of energy management systems, Yokogawa is helping to achieve a sustainable society. Modern society depends on a countless variety of materials. Industries that produce these materials are facing many challenges, including recycling and the production of new, environmentally friendly materials. We closely examine manufacturing processes and leverage the potential of DX in development and production to meet the unprecedented demand for materials with new functions and characteristics that will contribute to decarbonization and be easy to recycle. By engaging in co-creation with its customers, Yokogawa is able to come up with new solutions for the handling of materials. With the aim of achieving a circular society, we co-create cutting-edge biomass-based materials and provide the necessary manufacturing technologies. Yokogawa provides a great variety of solutions, such as the Oprex lineup, that create value for its customers and point the way to a sustainable society. Through the use of machine learning to optimize models, we integrate the management of an ever more diverse range of processes all over the world. By accurately monitoring, analyzing, and predicting process conditions, we are able to respond quickly and flexibly to changes and maximize the value that is created. We ensure stable, long-term operations by constantly monitoring facilities over their entire life cycle. Having contributed to the evolution of automation, we are now making stepwise progress in the direction of smart manufacturing. Using AI, robotics, and other technologies, we are supporting a transition from automation to autonomy that will transform society as we know it. Through co-creation with our customers and partners, we will strive for the realization of a system of systems concept that will set society on a new path. Systems that power our infrastructure, companies, and homes will be directly connected and interact with each other to autonomously optimize society as a whole. Yokogawa will continue to build systems that link companies and industries all over the world and provide added value by serving as a node for the sharing of information. Utilizing our ability to measure and connect, we fulfill our responsibilities for the future of our planet. Yokogawa will continue in its endeavors to create a future where people and the earth can coexist in symbiotic harmony. Yokogawa, co-innovating tomorrow.